The timed shot is an underrated feature that you can use on EFC to make your finishes even harder to save. Even though it takes some time for you to get good at, it can make it a difference on your gameplay. To activate, you will need to go to your game settings and put timed finishing on. So basically you have to press the shot button 2 times, one to start the shot and the second time it will be for you to hit the timed finish. You can either press too early, making it red and almost likely miss the shot, yellow will be early and will not have the total precision, and green when you press at the right time, have the total precision of your shot. And when it appears white, it is because you pressed too late, and it won't change anything. The tip that I have to you is try to hit the timer as soon as the player hits the ball. It can be by a header, free kick, long shot, it doesn't matter. It takes some time because you have to get used to the players that you have. Sometimes he or she can shoot too fast or take a little bit more time to shoot. With that being said, you have to train a lot. There is no secret that can make it easier, but it will be hard only in the beginning. You can turn on the trainer too. It will show you exactly when you have to do it. Thank you for watching.